Hey guys, Chad from Dirtpoor TV. Today we're going to take off this stock factory Honda Talon cage and we're going to put on a Krash Offroad cage. Stay tuned. Well, here's what your Krash Offroad cage looks like when it comes shipped. It'll be shipped in a pallet, fully enclosed. Bolted front and back. What cage is this?
Mid.
So it's a mid-height cage. Anything extra you got on it?
Nope, that's the way she comes.
Pretty soon it'll be on there.
First step is we took the seats out, and then we're going to go ahead and pull the seat belts off, and we're going to take the nets loose, and then we're pretty close. Besides, we just have to take the back loose. So let me grab some tools and get started.
Okay, so we got rid of the door nets. Got to pull this plastic cover off, remove 2 bolts here, 2 bolts on top. What size is this? 14 millimeters? 14 millimeter. And then in the back, to pull this cover off. So those were Torx. Let's see what size those were. I don't know, it looks like a 25, I can't read that. T25, pull those out, then you have to remove the exhaust cover. Those were also 14s. And now you basically just have the 8 bolts holding the cage on. Let her rip, Bacon. Okay, all the bolts are out of the cage. Let me see if we can snake it out of there.
We're going to tip this front up.
Fall back.
That thing is light as hell. You feel safe here?
Yeah, I'll go 45. Alright, so this new one is going to slide on the same way, huh?
I kind of like this.
Did you get your measurements down? You got them all
Yeah, we got the measurements. Let's slide this one back on.
Oh, this one's heavier. Hold on, I'm too far over.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, so you need to get your end in.
I'm in.
Look at that.
I'm
Got a
in.
little tweak in here, but not bad.
Let's get a couple.
Hey, Chad, these bolts are over here.
Yep.
Get bacon in one. I think we just got to pick up on the rear and everything will be good. Oh, dude, that was fucking sweet. Well, all I gotta do is lift up on the rear and get it. Here, I just need to lift up.
Well, hold on.
I just want to get a little hold in so I can...
Hey, Chad, just can you lift up on the rear and bacon and push it right in? It's just binding up big time.
There we go. See. Lift up again. That's the mid-range?
Yeah. Can we put both of them in here, bacon?
It's getting easy to remove, I think, isn't it?
Yeah, you get
get another couple whacks in there.
Back tires burn off.
I'm trying to.
Okay, you should be able to put the top bolt in.
So we had to run that ratchet strap just to take some of the tension off of it, but we still had to use the punch, well, a couple different punches and a hammer to get her to line up, and we're really close right now.
No, we're on now.
We should probably tighten that one down
Yeah,
so it don't decide it's going to pull itself back up.
where's everything at?
Is it exactly where it needs to be?
Yeah.
Here, I'll just give you the ratchet.
This might pull to the left when you go down the road now. No, everything went together really good. I was even surprised we got that old cage off that easy
Yeah.
without having to remove any of the plastic here in the back. So all 8 bolts are in the cage right now, correct?
We have to put the centers in, which is no big deal.
Yep.
Those are lined up.
Those have been lined up from the word go. And then we're gonna have to button up this ass end.
Going gentle.
Okay, here it is. All bolted on. It took a little over an hour, about an hour and 15 minutes, and we weren't going at it hard. Basically, Bacon, he does all the work. I just video. Jeremy just watches.
Drinks beer.
But it turned out really good. No problems. Little persuasion on this side with those 2 bolts right there. But basically, this is a Krash Offroad mid-height cage with a roof, which they come with a roof. You just pick your color. We don't. Jeremy, you said you didn't get any extras or anything on it? Everything back here bolted up nice. So it looks factory in the rear end.
Uh-oh, what's this bolt go to?
Awesome people to deal with too.
That's a pretty slick cage.
So it has the intrusion bars with a spine all the way through the center. Grab handles
I like how it kind of cuts in the front.
Yeah.
right here. Got where you can put your whips or an antenna.
I put that up here, don't I?
Yeah.
Turned out really good. If you like this content, please hit that like button. and consider subscribing to Dirt Poor TV. Thanks.